Hi, it's Dave T here, and this video, to be perfectly honest, is mainly for my own personal benefit, but it may well help others. And the reason being is this video is about packing up an air awning in terms of folding it up, and I keep on trying it different ways, and I think I've found the better way of doing it. So I want to actually document it so I remember to do it the same way next time. Hope this helps other people. This is on the Ace Air Pro 400 2022 or 2021-22 model. The panels are all taken out. The two side panels, three front panels, they all come out on this awning. Makes it easier to pack away. So that's where we're starting, with all of the deflation points open. Also, just point out, the idea of this is to fold it up to the right size for the actual bag, and also so that the air vents are kind of on the end, so they're not trapped in the middle, so any excess air can escape as you're folding it up. And also so that when we actually fold the poles together, we're going to fold them kind of slightly to one side of each other, so they're like that rather than just like that, because otherwise you end up with one big lump, and this way it makes it fairly evenly spread. So here we go. And also there are some other videos that show this, but not quite from this kind of angle. So start off with something different.